Hi, all of you. Vidhansh had started showing a great flair for art and creative activities, and his skill of I could see him growing interest in the skills of a lot of coloring as well as drawing activities. And he started initially drawing with his own set of his favorite things around him, and especially dinosaurs. So I just thought, maybe I should help him enhance the skills because in lockdown, children didn't had much to do. So what I thought was that, okay, I'll find some classes which will help me and him, engage time in a much more positive way. And through while Googling, I got to know about the Global art classes being conducted. And then I thought that this would be a very creative way to engage him during the lockdown and at the same time enhance his skills. But when I got him enrolled in the Global art classes, I noticed that they are not just taking care of his creativity and art skills. There was a lot more of it. The child's imagination was actually touching many folds. They gave a space where the child could build an own context on a story, and the individuality of every child was respected. My child could build another context, whereas the other child built an absolutely different context to that story. And for me it was a bonus because it worked for him in a lot of ways, not just working on his creative skills, on his art skills, but even if I take care of his speech skills. And in this lockdown where children had nobody to talk to, Sonika was always there to help him as a friend. So he found Sonika more as a friend rather than just a teacher. She was so approachable, so warm and so welcoming that I was very comfortable, and so was my son. Basic things like taking care of how to hold a pencil, which direction to color, were taken care. So I never felt that the physical class or not being a physical class could be a barrier in his learning, because even though these are virtual classes, but the child's basic needs and his development are taken care so beautifully. I am very happy and thoroughly satisfied with his art classes. And let us see what he has to say for his art classes.
I love my art class.